Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Project Cars 2 in VR. First, you need to ensure you have a wheel or a controller connected, as the game won't run correctly in VR with just a keyboard and mouse. Open your Steam library, right-click Project Cars 2, and choose to launch it in your preferred VR mode, either Oculus VR or Steam VR. This simple step is crucial for an immersive racing experience. To ensure a smooth VR experience, your PC needs to meet certain specifications. Aim for at least an NVIDIA GTX 970 or AMD R9 290 graphics card, an Intel i5 4590 processor, and 8 GB of memory. Once your PC is ready, connect your VR headset using Oculus Link or AirLink, then enable the desktop view to access Steam. Disabling Oculus Home in the background can also free up valuable resources. Achieving optimal visuals and performance in VR requires careful adjustment of in-game settings. Start by setting supersampling in your VR software to between 100 and 135%. For anti-aliasing, a low setting like 2x MSAA often provides good clarity without a huge performance hit. Reducing reflections, shadow quality, and particle effects, especially in wet conditions or with many cars, can significantly improve your frame rate, aiming for a steady 90 frames per second. For the most immersive and comfortable VR racing, customize your experience. Bind a button on your wheel or controller to center VR headset for easy view resets. In the camera settings, set all movement and shake options to 0 to keep the headset as stable as possible. Consider adjusting your cockpit field of view to around 82 to minimize object pop-ins and flickering, creating a more seamless and enjoyable virtual driving environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.